Let's make some chocolate cookies. Hello, I'm Charity and welcome to my YouTube channel. As I said, today we are making some cookies. I found that these cookies were well suitable for a cup of hot chai. These were not chewy but crunchy cookies, so they would also go well with a cup of warm milk to dunk, and they hold up. They don't crumble into the milk. They do not crumble into the milk. Haven't gotten this far into the video, I think you can already notice that my vanilla essence is still sitting on its position. I did not remember, so after I had put together the dough, that is when I added the vanilla, but it made very little a difference to add it at this point. But please remember to add it where I have indicated in a few minutes earlier. Kneading the cookie dough took about 5 minutes. After that, I formed it into small balls. There were a lot, but these are the final few. As per request, I made some few shapes to entertain my child. And I baked them in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes, and they gave good results. Everyone in the house enjoyed them. You should definitely try them. And here is the beautiful outcome.